hidden treasures not even found in the plains of paradise. This temporal world has treasures which will not be found even in the pleasures of paradise. How odd that may sound to us, as all our life we have been told everything we wish or think about will come to fruition in the realm of paradise. But that's not fully true, as we delve into some of these hidden treasures. Each of these holds a unique value in this world, serving as precious jewels not present in the realm of paradise. And so, they are to be cherished and integrated into our daily lives. Let us take the act of worshiping with free will. In this world, we have the choice to worship and connect with our divine faith willingly, a privilege not experienced in paradise where devotion is inherent. To worship Allah simply for His pleasure and mercy is only an act of this world, so one must truly value the commands of Allah. Believing in the unseen world. This life allows us to believe in the mysteries and complexities of the unseen, the hereafter, providing an opportunity for spiritual growth that does not exist in paradise, as there, everything is now visible, witnessing of the angels, the physical company of the prophets, gazing of the mighty throne of Allah, and experiencing all the beauties of paradise and its inhabitants. Another treasure is time. In this world, time is the volatile currency of existence, which flows relentlessly in the earthly plane. However, in paradise, it holds no sway. So each moment, each second here is a timeless jewel to be cherished, for once gone, it can never be reclaimed. The same principle extends to other such treasures as one's wealth, sleep, skills, and even life itself. These valuable assets should be cherished and appreciated while we inhabit this world, because in heaven, you will not have the opportunity to use your wealth for divine purposes, nor apply your specific skills to benefit others in Allah's way, or sacrifice your life for Him, or give up the comfort of sleep for His purpose, as there will be no fatigue to challenge you in the bountiful bliss of paradise. Which then leads us to a truly unique treasure of striving. In this life, one must continuously strive to establish the pursuit towards excellence and perfection. It's a conditional path we ought to embark upon in this world, the very act which Allah looks to rather than the result it weaves. Whereas in paradise, perfection is the natural state, and its infinite inhabitants have already attained excellence. So there is no need for exertion or effort in that heavenly abode. Fighting against the enemies of Allah. In this world, we can be surrounded by the traps of our enemies, even those within, where we don our armor of obedience and fight for Allah's sake, thus being able to sacrifice our lives at times for Him. Yet in paradise, there will be no enemies, no internal or external nemesis to extinguish. This opportunity given exclusively to this world. The treasures are plentiful, such as not having the opportunity to exercise your will of restraint in paradise, for there is no temptation of sin, as the devils are banished from the heavenly kingdom. The same is said in regard to forbearance and patience, an art developed and cultivated in this world, for this world. There is no adversity to show your level of patience in paradise. In paradise, the beloved quality of a Muslim, to be in the service of creation, will no longer be required, as no creation will be in need, as each need and desire will be fulfilled. The value of health. Exercising the body and stimulating the mind with fitness and strength is a treasure of this world. In paradise, you live forever. You're perfectly healthy all the time. In this world, sickness afflicts you, and so the treasure is carrying on with the obedience despite the sickness to really show your level of loyalty and servanthood. We are uniquely blessed in the world, that amongst the darkness and confusion, Allah, most compassionate, sent forth His most beloved shining guide, the portrait of perfection, to guide us and bring immense spiritual gifts. Once in paradise, the option to choose His beloved's way over all else will no longer be there, for there are no prerequisites for following the prophetic example. Many have the wrong mindset, as though these precious acts of obedience and services are a burden, a hindrance to one's enjoyment and success. Yet we do not truly grasp the idea that they are limited to experience here, to cherish and value in this world. This is the core message from the Treasurer of Teachings, who have established a practical framework to enable each and every person to live a life that values and fulfills its purpose by treasuring these precious jewels. And so our team of instructors stand ready to support and guide you up on this path. May these teachings guide us towards a fulfilling and purposeful life. Explore the path of human excellence and seek the Divine's pleasure by joining us on the transformative journey at propheticpath.co.uk. Your spiritual ascent awaits.